Hello, welcome to another video of this AI series. So today's topic is application of AI in agriculture. Green thumbs and tech enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the fertile fields of agriculture and exploring how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we grow crops, manage resources, and feed the world. Let's move on to the presentation. AI in precision agriculture. One of the most impactful application of AI in agriculture is precision agriculture. AI algorithms analyze data from various sources, including satellite, imagery, sensors, and drones, to monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and detect pests and diseases early. By providing farmers with real time insights and recommendations, AI driven precision agriculture enhances crop yields, reduces resource usage, and promotes sustainable farming practices. AI in crop management. Additionally, AI is transforming crop management practices. Machine learning algorithms can predict optimal planting times, recommend crop varieties tailored to specific environmental conditions, and optimize fertilizer and pesticide usage. By leveraging AI-driven crop management techniques, farmers can maximize productivity, minimize inputs, and improve profitability. AI in supply chain optimization. Moreover, AI plays a crucial role in optimizing agriculture supply chains. Predictive analytics algorithms can forecast demand, optimize logistics and transportation routes, and improve inventory management. By streamlining supply chain operations, AI driven optimization enhances efficiency, reduces waste, and ensures fresh and nutritious produce reaches consumers in a timely manner. Challenges and future directions. Integrating AI into the agriculture comes with its own set of challenges, ensuring accessibility and affordability of AI technologies for smallholder farmers, addressing concerns about data privacy and ownership, and fostering collaboration between stakeholders are critical considerations. Additionally, advancing AI research and development to address specific challenges faced by agriculture, such as climate change and food security, is essential for driving positive impact. There you have it, a glimpse into the transformative impact of AI in agriculture, from precision farming to crop management and supply chain optimization. AI technologies are empowering farmers to make data driven decisions and cultivate innovation in the agricultural sector. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. Till then, have a great day and happy coding.